I'm going to describe to you today a homemade jet engine that I've made. It's made out of a whole lot of parts from eBay, big Komatsu turbocharger from a Komatsu loader, and a whole lot of other parts. I'll run through it with you now. The jet engine's mounted on a metal frame which I've made. I'll just run through the components. On the top, it's basically a standard Komatsu loader turbocharger. That's the oil intake, and the oil outtake is underneath. There's a whole lot of pressure gear for the oil, regulating the pressure through needle valves to at least 45 psi. There's oil storage from which the reservoir is pumped, and underneath there a oil pump, which is a large electric forklift oil pump. It actually pumps too much oil for the rig, but the pressure's bled off through these needle valves back to the oil reservoir. It's better to have too much pressure than not enough. Below is an ignition chamber, or a combustion chamber, where the gas is injected at the bottom there. A spark ignites it. It burns inside a cage with holes in it, which is an internal tube, and then the hot gases come up through into the turbocharger, into the exhaust. The air intakes here. We have a revolutions per minute counter, and also oil pressure, oil temperature and exhaust temperature through that sensor there. There's also a radiator cooling system that switches to turn the oil pump on, the igniter on, and also the fan on. Importantly, the ignition won't run while the oil pump's off, so you can't start it until the oil pump's on. It's also got onboard power, which is a 12-volt system to power the forklift motor. At the moment I'm starting it with a marine battery, but it does have onboard power. Okay, in the next video we'll start it.